Hello, welcome to this short tutorial where we're gonna run a small Python project to build a simple calculator in Python. My name is Liambi and I'm a programmer at programmers.com, and today I'll be showing you how to create a simple calculator using Python. First of all, you're gonna go ahead and create a Python project and then open that Python project with your favorite code editor. For me, I use Visual Studio Code, as you can see here, and create a file called app.py so that the Visual Code editor will be able to tell that you are working with Python and offer you with a bunch of useful extensions. So now, first of all, let's write a simple line of code. I'm gonna write print, welcome to my first Python calculator. And then after this is just a proof of presentation. When you land on the app, you want to be greeted with a welcome message. Then we're gonna draw a line under this so that to give it a little bit more style. This is not a GUI program, it's gonna run in the terminal, so we're really gonna do as little style as we can. The little symbol you see there at the end is the back line that allows the program to go back to line. Let's write this variable called run program. This variable is going to assist us in allowing the user to either execute the program once or run it continuously. Then we're gonna write a loop. Now, while run program is true, we're gonna ask the user to input a number. First number, they're gonna input the first number. Then we're gonna ask the user to input the second number, and they will input the second number, and then we will need to know if the user wants to do which operation they want to do. Is it multiplication? Is it subtraction? Is it division? We don't know as for now. So we first ask the user to select either by typing 1, 2, 3, or 4 for division. Now we're gonna write the conditions. We first convert this operation into an integer because you know this function here, input, it always returned the value as a string, so Python could not understand it. Since we are requesting an integer here, we need to make this conversion right there. Then after we also convert the first number as an integer because as the same thing as the operation, this will be a string. So we need to do this conversion right here. Then we do the second number also as an integer. Okay, now second number is also integer now. So we all have all our operation, first number and second number, they are all now integers. So the result is true for the moment. This is gonna be useful in case the user types an error, like they make an operation that is not specified within our list of operations here. We're gonna want to set this to true or false and ask him to correct his mistake. So let's keep going. So if the operation is 1, this means the user wants to multiply first number and second number. The result is gonna be first number times second number. We use the little asterisk symbol to make the multiplication. Else if operations equal to, this means the user wants to add the number, and we're just gonna store it in the variable res, first number plus second number. Else if operation equal 3, the user wants to subtract, then we're gonna do first number minus second number. Else if operation equal 4, then the user wants to divide. Then we're gonna do first number divided by second number. Our code is looking pretty good so far. Let's keep going. But what if the user types an operation that is not specified in the list of operations here? Then we're gonna output an error that says please select a valid operation, and then we set the result to false, and then we analyze this result. If result equal true, when we just say if result, that means it must be true. Then we output the result to the user by making sure we convert the res, which is an integer, to a string. Otherwise the print function is not gonna know how to concatenate this. Then we run the program, we ask the user if they want to do another operation. We remember this variable run program is the same variable that is right here on the while. So if we change the value of run program here by asking the user to run another operation, yes or no, if they tap 1, then we set this value to run program. This is going to run again. But if the user types 0, then it becomes false. Then this loop here is gonna stop running. Let's keep going with our logic. Else, if the result is false, that means the user selected the false operation. We just say there was an error, and that should be it. Okay, now we got our code. Now it is time for testing it and see if everything works. I could execute it into the code editor, but I think it looked much better when executed into just Linux terminal. Here we are. I've been playing with this a bit. I'm just gonna clear away all this. So I got a clear terminal. Okay, then I'm into my folder, Python project, and my file is called app.py. So what I'm just gonna do is python3 app.py, and here it is. You see, welcome to my first calculator. First number is 2, second number is 2, then multiply, add, subtract, or divide. I'm gonna say 2 for adding, and then say the result is 4. Do you want to do another operation? Then if I say yes, it's just gonna ask me again. First number, I say 3, second number 5, and then do you want to divide? I say I want to multiply, and then you say the result is 15. It is working flawlessly. And when I want to exit the program, I just click 0 and I type enter, and I'm out of the application. Alright guys, this is how you build a simple calculator application using Python, and in a few lines of code you get yourself a calculator. I'll see you when I see you. Thanks for visiting Programmage. If you are not yet, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Or if you can, also send us $1 billion US. That is greatly appreciated. But if you don't have $1 billion US to send us, please hit that like, subscribe button. It will also help us greatly. I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.